Welcome everyone, in front of me I have a Nothing Phone 1 and you may be wondering how on earth do I charge my Nothing Phone 1? Well, yours of course, not mine. So there's going to be this pamphlet in the Nothing Phone 1 box. You see accessories right there, boom. And if you open this up, you have the charging cable. So you insert one end into Nothing Phone 1, but where do you insert the other end? Well, you have a bunch of options. If you don't want to spend any money, you will need to insert this into another laptop, okay? Most laptops will have USB-C, even the Windows and Mac. If you don't have a laptop which supports USB-C, then you will need to check if you have a charging brick with USB-C, okay? So the charging brick, you place the USB-C into the charging brick and the charging brick into power. If you don't have a charging brick into power, then what that means is you have to buy one from Amazon or eBay if you want to, use that, I guess. Both options, great options. That is just what you have to do. So just keep that in mind. If you want to charge your Nothing Phone 1, you will need a computer, free methods, slow charging, or a power brick for fastest charging. So that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.